Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? Students, I think you will be fine at home. Students, please do not go out of your houses. You see that this is a very critical time, and at this critical time, please do not go out of the houses. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, and continue your study. Students, in this video, I am going to teach you the second chapter of English language, which is sentence and its types. The sentence and its type. Students, you have also studied about it in the earlier classes. Actually, what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words, which gives a meaningful sense. Sentence is a group of words which gives a meaningful sense. सेंटेंस एक शब्दों का समूह होता है जो सार्थक अर्थ दे, जिसका कोई सार्थक मीन हो, उसे हम सेंटेंस कहते हैं। एग्जाम्पल के लिए कहते हैं द चिल्ड्रन playing field in the. This is word group, but the word group is not in complete sense and not arranged in meaningful sense. So this is not a sentence. Student, this is not a sentence. इसी को हम अगर सेंटेंस का एग्जाम्पल बनाएंगे, द चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग इन द फील्ड. The children are playing in the field. So this is now. These words are arranged in correct sense and meaningful. So this is an example of sentence. यह एक sentence का example है. Sentence. This is not a sentence. I have right here crossed. Not a sentence. So I hope you have understood what is a sentence. Now we discuss about its types. Students, you have studied about the kinds of sentence. Now I tell you what are the kinds of sentence. Students, there are only three kinds of sentence. Sentence के तीन प्रकार होते हैं. There are only 3 kinds of sentence. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स इसमें डाउट होंगे कि सेंटेंस के रूप में तो बहुत 4-5 प्रकार पड़े हुए हैं. You have studied 5 kinds, but basically or major types of a sentence are of 3, like simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Compound sentence. Now I'll tell you there are 5 kinds of simple sentences. Okay students, simple sentence has 5 kinds. First one is assertive sentence, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and objective sentence. Objective sentence. So students, in this way a simple sentence has 5 kinds. Now we will discuss about each kind of sentence. What is assertive sentence? What is interrogative sentence? I'll tell you each kind of sentence. First one is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. A sentence which gives expression in affirmation and negation. Which gives expression in affirmation and negation is called assertive sentence. This is also known as declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. इसे हम declarative sentence भी कहते हैं. इसे हम declarative sentence भी कहते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, इसका अर्थ सकारात्मक और नकारात्मक दोनों सेंस में निकलता है. ये नकारात्मक एक्सप्रेस में भी देता है, अभिव्यक्ति भी देता है, और सकारात्मक अभिव्यक्ति देता है. तो इसे हम असर्टिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. अब असर्टिव सेंटेंस के 2 भाग हो जाते हैं. यहाँ पर वो 2 भाग कौन से हैं? अफर्मेटिव, अफर्मेटिव और दूसरा हो जाता है नेगेटिव। अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस। अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस किसे कहते हैं? अ सेंटेंस विच एक्सप्रेस which gives expression is in affirmation, which gives expression in affirmation is called affirmative sentence, and a sentence which gives expression in negation or negative is called negative sentence. It means in affirmative sentence adverb not is not used, adverb is not used, and this is positive sentence, जैसे हम पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस भी कहते हैं, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस भी कहते हैं इसको स्टूडेंट्स, इसे हम पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस भी कहते हैं। और ये आपका नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, इसमें नॉट का यूज किया जाता है। नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में नॉट का यूज करते हैं और इसमें नॉट का यूज नहीं होता है। तो इस प्रकार हम असर्टिव सेंटेंस के दो भाग कर देते हैं। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अनुष्का worked hard to pass the examination. Anushka worked hard to pass the examination. This is an affirmative sentence, जिसे हम बोलते हैं affirmative sentence। अब नेक्स्ट क्या है? नेगेटिव सेंटेंस के एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं। अनुष्का did not work hard to pass the examination. स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपका नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, बिकॉज यहाँ पर नॉट का यूज करते हैं। जब सेंटेंस में नॉट का यूज हो जाता है तो उसे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं, और जहाँ पर अफर्मेशन सेंस होता है उसे हम अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं। आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज second one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So what is an interrogative sentence? A sentence which asks questions, is known as interrogative sentence. Is known as interrogative sentence. So a sentence which asks questions is known as interrogative sentence. Students, वह सेंटेंस जो क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है उसे हम इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं। और इस सेंटेंस की एक खास पहचान ये है स्टूडेंट्स कि इसके लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है. So necessarily use question mark at the interrogative sentence. इसमें क्वेश्चन मार्क अवश्य रूप से प्रयोग किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, what is your name? Who is calling you? Where do you live? These are the examples of interrogative sentences. So in this way you can understand what is interrogative sentence. Now the next is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Students, what is an exclamatory sentence? You know, a sentence which expresses the feeling of hurt, like emotion, depression, sad, appalled, joy. Such sentences are called exclamatory sentences. A sentence which gives feelings of hurt, feelings of hurt, which gives feelings of hurt, like sorrow, pleasure, hate, etc. is known as an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें हृदय की भावनाएं, फीलिंग्स हो, जैसे कि सॉरो है, प्लेजर है, हेट, और भी भावनाएं हैं, ऐसी फीलिंग्स है. ऐसी अगर फीलिंग सेंटेंस दी हो तो उसे हम एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाउ big this house is. How big this house is? What a man you are. Oh, it is it is a long snake. It is a long snake. So in these sentences, there are the there are the feelings of hurt. How big this house is, what a man you are, oh it is a long snake. So in these sentences there are used the mark of exclamation. Mark of exclamation. So these marks of exclamation tells us that there is exclamatory sentence. There is some feelings of hurt. So students, in this way you can express the express and exclamatory sentence. Now the next example is kind is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. So students, I tell you this sentence in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.